Okay, we're crossing this right now. How are we gonna do it like that?
Just go.
You're gonna do it sideways?
I'm gonna be behind you, like this.
I want you to cross it.
Well, let's make sure we can cross safely first, then we can recross it.
No, I'm not gonna recross it. Alright, here goes.
Nope.
You'll know if it's good because I'll cross it.
I'll get shallow anyway. It's not going to take you down anywhere.
No. Ready?
Here we go. Doesn't listen to reason.
Crossing the river.
Here's the shadow.
One. Shot. 2. Ready? Set.
Wade easy. Wade easy. What?
Too bad.
Now you get to see me do it in. Don't drop it in the water, he says. Here I go. Should I do it this way? Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get under it, man.
Still recording?
I used the swear word.
Josh made it through. Problem is, I gotta go back tomorrow. Or no, we go here a couple days. All right.